Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to May 20th,
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today's activity is Gardening Day. Let's plant a summer flower or vegetable as a family, nurturing growth while learning patience and environmental care. Step 1. Choose your plant. Decide as a family what to grow: vibrant sunflowers, juicy tomatoes, or another summer favorite. Let everyone share their ideas, making the choice part of the fun. Step 2. Prepare your planting area. Find a sunny spot and gather your tools. If space is limited, pots or containers work perfectly for indoor gardening. Set up your planting space together. Step 3. Learn about your plant research, how much sunlight, water, and care your plant needs. Sharing these details makes the activity engaging and ensures your plant has the best chance to thrive. Step 4. Plant together. Work as a team to dig, plant, and water. Assign roles so everyone plays a part in creating your new green friend. Each step strengthens family bonds and brings joy to the process. Step 5. Set a care routine. Rotate responsibilities for watering, weeding, and observing growth. Celebrate Gardening Day by planting something beautiful and meaningful as a family. Together, you'll nurture not only plants, but also shared memories and a love for nature. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.